Alright, so positive day, Gilivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng mga gustong magpa-code sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise or improve your business or you want to start a business, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. So, waiting tayo kasi may speaker pa na nauna sa atin. Dito tayo sa BNHS. Be speaking sa mga teachers natin dito sa Filipino department. Okay, so speaking of that as a speaker. Alright, so one of the many qualities na dapat meron ay isang business owner is you should learn how to speak. Okay? At any given opportunity, any given chance, you need to speak. Okay? Kanina I was watching one, dumaan na siya sa FB ko eh. Sabi niya, one way to separate yourself as business owner is to learn how to speak. Okay? Learn how to stand in front, okay? Sa stage, to speak about yourself, to speak about business, to speak about empowerment, to speak about positive mindset, anything. Kung ano yung needs ng crowd. Okay? Grab that opportunity. Kasi marami sa atin, marami mga business owners na pag sinabi mo magsalita, ay hindi ako pwede dyan. No way, not in my dead body. Not over my dead body. Di ba maraming gano'n, maraming ayaw magsalita, but you are a business owner. You are a business owner. And as a business owner, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo nagsasalita. Okay? What is the importance of having this skill as a speaker for you as a business owner? It's increasing your brand. It's increasing your value. Diba? Pag tumayo ka sa stage, pag sinabi, sino yun? Siya yung owner ng ano eh. Siya yung CEO ng GDS Corporate Training. Diba? Siya yung yung may-ari ng kumpanya, hindi ba nabalitaan? Siya yun. Diba? So that's something. Diba? Pag-uusapan ng yung products, pag-uusapan ng yung services. Alright? So, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo magsalita. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo harap sa crowd at any given time o may mga circumstances. Di ba when you are attending a gathering, a seminar, nawala tuloy dito sa joke. Any conference, di ba misa may mapagkakataon, you have to speak, you have to ask questions, di ba? So you practice speaking, you practice expressing yourself, right? So, Doc G, paano ba yan? So, I can help you, okay? I can help you to become, kahit hindi rockstar speaker muna, kahit na yung paano lang, how to explain your products, how to explain yourself, how to explain your services, how to do it inside the, inside of the big crowd, okay? What are the things that you need to say? How are you going to promote your brand or your company na hindi masyadong halata, no? Di ba? Huwag na kasi pagtayo mo. So, gano'n, something like that. So, I'll be coaching you. I'm willing to be your coach. As a business owner, kailangan natin talaga nagsasalita. That's increasing your brand, okay? So, it's inevitable. Kung, Dok, hindi naman lahat, di ba, may gift niyan. Okay, so, sabi nga, iwanan na natin yung 97% na ayaw magsalita na business owner. Nananatili na lang silang taga-isip dun sa loob ng room nila. Ano po? So, tayo? Maging isa tayo sa mga speakers. Ay, ma'am, kumusta po? Pakita. Si ma'am mo. So, iwan natin yon, okay? Let's leave the 97%. Okay, let's follow the 3%. Alright? So, baka tayo na kasunod, okay? So, as a business owner, you should know the skill of speaking. I can teach you. Pwede kang magpa-coach sa akin. Okay? Thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go.